Hey, we're out here on the river today, and I wanted to say a couple of words about balance. You know, I'm tempted in my less good moments to think that all I have to do is be a good farmer, and that's going to be, just work harder, be a better farmer. Somehow that's going to be satisfying. And what I've observed, and what I'm sure not unique to me, I know it isn't because I've talked to a lot of other farmers about it, is that we can get so tunnel focused, tunnel vision, that we miss the important things. We lose track. We forget why we got into this. You know, the early mornings and the beautiful skies and the rain and sun, our kids, our wives, all those other reasons we have for doing what we do. And so in our lives, the way it looks on our farm is we don't work on Sundays. And so we oftentimes meet with a church group, but we also spend a lot of time outdoors. And we get out at least once a month. We try and do an overnight trip once a month out into the outdoors. Because what I've noticed is if I don't leave the farm, I keep working on the farm. It's really hard to do anything otherwise. And I've also noticed that when I get away from the farm, it's easier for me to pay attention to my kids and my wife and the people around me and my surroundings. I'm always in tune with my surroundings on the farm, but sometimes I lose track of the people. And so this is good. And it's not just limited to me and my family. We take the crew, we take lots of different people. And this is our release. There's lots of different ways to do this. This is just us. But I wanted to say something about it because I think it's important as we get better at our craft. Hopefully what we do is we take that time and we devote it to things that matter even more than how many carrots we grow or how many heads of lettuce we sell this year. Obviously, to stay in business, we got to do a certain amount of that, but let's make sure that we don't get, I'll speak for myself. I try and be sure that I don't get confused about the purpose of all this. And good day on the river is it's a hard thing to beat. So here's to you, finding balance. Here's to me, keeping balance. Sometimes I'm better at than others. Thanks for checking in today, and hope this is useful to you. Happy farming.